How to prepare your new home before moving in. Checklist. Moving soon. Before you bring in all your boxes, let's go through the ultimate moving house checklist to get your new place ready. Step 1. Clean everything first. Before furniture arrives, give your new home a deep clean. Wipe down shelves, clean windows, vacuum floors. It's easier when the space is empty. Step 2. Check utilities. Make sure water, electricity, and internet are all connected. You don't want to spend your first night without lights or Wi-Fi. Step 3. Do any repairs or painting. Fix small things like leaky taps or chipped paint before your stuff is in the way. It saves time and hassle later. Step 4. Change the locks. For safety, change the door locks. You never know who might still have a key from the previous owner. Step 5. Plan where furniture will go. Sketch out a simple layout. Knowing where things will go makes moving in quicker and smoother. Step 6. Stock the essentials. Before move-in day, stock up on toilet paper, soap, cleaning supplies, and snacks. Trust me, you'll need them. And that's it. Follow this moving house checklist, and your new place will be all set before the boxes even arrive. Like, share and subscribe for more moving tips. Want more helpful moving tips? Hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.